Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be making pita bread, and this is very tasty. It's a good recipe and I really love it. I will give you a couple of tips. In the end I will give you a very important tip how to make them soft and nice. So we will begin with activating the dry yeast. In order to activate it, you need to put into the yeast a little bit of sugar, a little bit of flour, and a little water, and then mix everything together and let it stand for about 10 minutes in order for the yeast to become active. And how do you know if they are active, if they are alive, or they are not alive? Maybe it's a bad yeast and they are already dead. After mixing it, after a couple of minutes, you will begin see bubbles on the surface. If you see bubbles, that means that they are alive, and in a second you will see how they came out. Look at the yeast. It's all bubbly and it's expanded, so it means it's alive and well, and it's perfect for cooking. Now you mix everything into the planetary mixer, except salt and oil. Why don't you mix salt? Because salt is killing yeast. If yeast touches salt, it's going to die, and it's not going to perform the work that we need it to perform. So you're mixing everything for 7 minutes. And now when everything is mixed well, now you can add the salt. And especially here it's very important because the salt is 60 grams in this recipe, and this is about 5 grams of the total measurements of the product. This is high content of salt, so you need to add it definitely in the end, not with the yeast. So after everything is mixed for 7 minutes, now you add the salt, mix it for another 2 minutes, and now you can add the olive oil and mix it for another minute. Okay, now when the dough is done, do a round bowl with it, and put it in the bowl, and cover it with a towel or plastic film. But if you cover it with a plastic film, make sure to make a couple of holes so that some oxygen will enter. And let it rest for 40 minutes, maybe 1 hour, preferably in a moist and warm place. If the temperature is a bit colder, you need to let it rest a little bit more. But you will see when it's done, when it's more or less double in size.
Аня, ты читала сказку про колобок? Смотри, как папа сделал. Колобок. Он ленивый, высок. Настоящий колобок. Продолжать снимать? Кого ты потерял?
now it's rested, and you see how beautifully it puffed. So now it's definitely ready to split it into the pita size themselves. So you need to make each pita with the weight of 150 grams. You can make little pitas for maybe 70-90 grams, but I love the big pitas. They're more useful, they're larger, and when you split them in the middle, you can put something inside them. Hummus or chocolate or whatever you want. That's why pita bread is so useful. So you make the balls, 150 grams each, and you let them rest for another 40 minutes. And again, you can cover them with towel or with film. Okay, now they rested, and now we are making the pitas themselves. The oven needs to be 290 degrees, and you cook them you bake them for 7 minutes on 290 degrees. But my oven is only going up to 250, and therefore I'm doing it for maybe baking them for 12 minutes, 30 minutes, but with baking things you need to be on the lookout, so just check it out from time to time. Okay, now they come out beautiful, and now the most important tip with pitas. Immediately when they are hot, like within the first couple of seconds, put them into a baking bag or regular plastic bags. That's how we used to buy them in my city. It was just in plastic bags, like in a super. And the pitas would stay moist and soft and perfect. If you don't do it, you will just get a crunchy bread, which is not pita, it will be just crunch. And this is a homemade hummus. If you want, let me know in the comments, and I will make the hummus recipe as well. Pita and hummus is amazing combination.